So my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and gold has shown a good amount of recovery. So yesterday we were discussing about the importance of 4500 as support, and we also discussed how critical it was because there was a possibility that after breakdown also market could have recovered. So ultimately, gold took support around 4500, nicely, and at this moment gold is trading around 4650. So in a previous video also we have discussed that for gold to be bullish again, it needs to cross this level here, and right now gold is trading at a very important level, because if gold crosses 4650, we will see a technical shift in the market. And regarding the fundamentals, we can see that fundamentals are also changing, the market sentiment is also changing. So gold extends gains for a second session. So gold climbed towards 4600 and also Wednesday, advancing for a second straight session as signs of de-escalation in the Middle East push oil prices lower, helping to alleviate inflation concerns. You can see gold rises, Trump pauses Project Freedom to see if Iran deal can be finalized. So yesterday we were talking about Project Freedom, and now Project Freedom is on pause. So God bless US President Donald Trump, because gold has been very volatile, as an asset, and after the US President Donald Trump, gold has become more volatile and crazy. Okay, so please stay in touch with the news. Okay, now let's talk about gold here. So my dear friends, this is the current level here. If you are part of our group, you must know that I have already taken a buy. Let's hope that gold will be going up and I will make some money here. And if you have a buy, you can also hold your buy position as long as the structure of the market is like this. In case there is a structural shift, or if market breaks 4600, it's better to exit. Better to book your losses. Anyways, during the day, if market breaks this particular level here, if market breaks this level here, we can look for buy at breakout. Yes, we can look for buy at breakout. But if you're looking for a safer entry, if you do not want to be if you do not want to be in tension like me, then avoid buying at breakout and wait for the market to take support around the same level. Means wait for the market to take support around 4650, means buy at pullback when the same level will act as the new support. So you have two options. Buy at breakout. It will be a little bit risky. If you want to take the risk, it's up to you. If you want to avoid risk, you can buy at pullback when the same level will act as a new support. As I said, I already have a buy around 4649. I am hoping that gold will be going up, and market sentiment is also as of now bullish. If US president tweets something again, it may change again. Anyways, at this moment it is bullish, so we can expect more upside. And as I said, and as we have discussed also in a previous videos also, for gold to be bullish, 4650 it needs to cross. In case market fails, after all, gold is full of surprises. If market fails, the next best support is around 4600. If market takes support, if you see market showing prices action around 4600, we can look for a buy position. And as we have witnessed liquidity sweep on a regular basis for the last couple of weeks, if that happens, we can look for a buy around 4585. So if market takes down a 4585 also, you can buy, or after liquidity sweep you can buy above 4600. Keep in mind, 4600 is the first support. If market takes support, well and good, we can go for a buy. If market breaks it, do not sell immediately. There's a high chance of liquidity sweep, and when market will be going up, we can buy above 4600. And 4585 is also a support, because the previous resistance will be working as support. So this is the level where you can look for a buy, if market comes down for retracement. And then we also have a good support around 4550, because we have seen the round numbers are working nicely. Overall, the technical stuff may not be working, but round numbers, they play a different role here. So 4550 is another support level where we can look for a buy position if market comes down for further retracement. And 4500 is still the most crucial level on the chart of gold here. As long as market is trading above 4500, okay, you can expect that gold will either be sideways or gold, okay, will be bullish in the next few days. In case market breaks 4500, okay, the level, okay, will be gone and the further downside will be open for gold. As long as gold is trading above 4500, okay, there is a possibility that market will recover or market will try to recover at one point. Okay, but as of now, things are not very clear to us. Okay, gold needs to cross 4650. Hopefully we will get some good direction. As I said, if you do not, okay, have the ability or the courage to take a buy at support, leave it. Okay, buy at pullback when the same level will act as the new support. And right now, at the time of recording the video, okay, we do not see that there is high volume in the market. Hope we will get some clean moves, clear moves in the European or US session. And my friends, if you're looking for a reliable trading platform, you can consider opening your account with Vantage Markets. Vantage Market, as we all know, is a big brand, big name in the forex trading world. And you can see more than 5 million registered users have shown their trust. They have more than 1000 plus products. So if you're looking for a good broker, safe broker for your hard-earned money, consider opening account with Vantage Markets. If you're from India, okay, then you must be worried about deposit and withdrawal. Keep in mind the problem is not with any broker. It doesn't matter which broker you choose. At one point, you will face problem with UPI or net banking. If you are from India, then try to switch to USDT. Things will be much smoother for you. Okay, and if you open your account with our referral, okay, then you also get access to our WhatsApp community as well. So you can see they have excellent reviews online. So Vantage Market is the perfect solution for you if you're looking for a good broker, and use our referral, okay, if you want to join our community. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.